This is what I made for Satvika. This is chicken steak with mushroom sauce. All sauce also is homemade. And this is for French fries. I'm boiling the potatoes. And these are some vegetables. How the steak look like after making. Now I'm waiting for the fries to get ready and for these vegetables. Yeah, it should be decorated like this with cucumber, with carrot, and the mushroom sauce. This mushroom sauce I have made with milk and corn flour. Now, once I'm done with the French fries making, I will show you. It's very good, healthy recipe, rich of proteins, vitamins, minerals. Okay, this is for French fries. It's 5 minute cooked potatoes striped into pieces. You can use this corn flour for faster clacks. For now, the French fries is ready. How is it, my steak? Thank you.